how muddy we are!
Time to wash our hands, turn the water on, and
Splash, splash, splash!
hello there, friends! It's time to sparkle and shine. Let's wash our hands, watch the bubbles climb.
Let's learn how to wash our hands.
Washing hands keeps us healthy. First, we wet our hands. Water first, splash, 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 getting rid of dirt in a flash. Wet your hands, now get the soap. Give the froggy bump a push. Wet and soap and scrub away, making bubbles while you play. Rinse and dry, clean hands today. Scrub your palms, fingers and thumbs. Scrubby scrub, round and round. Soap keeps all the germs unfound. Wet and soap and scrub away. Rinse and dry, hooray, hooray. Now your hands are sparkling clean. Rinse and rinse and watch the soap go down the drain. Now your hands are sparkling clean again. Dry, dry, dry your hands now. Soft and clean and feeling grand. Clean hands make playtime safe. Wet and soap and scrub and dry. We wash the germs right off. Bye-bye.
Clean hands, time to play! Hooray, hooray!
Clean hands, happy kids.